we wrote that honors this beautiful little ahupua'a, which is sandwiched between Kane'ohe and Kahalu'u over there. And I used to work at this fish pond out there, He'eia Fish Pond, which is right on the shores of Kane'ohe Bay. And when I left, I missed the place. So I wrote this song to honor it. A song entitled He'eia Ikanani, which means He'eia in beauty. And we're gonna bring out Frankie now with Ipuheke to do a hula for us.